We are headed to the Porch reception, which is part of our package. After 5 p.m. at the Grand, all men must be wearing a jacket.
And tie.
And tie. It's a little bit more casual for the ladies, but I think the idea is you dress up. So we're gonna show you the Porch reception in just a few minutes. And here she is on the porch. We were very lucky we found a spot here. There's gonna be some music playing in just a little bit. The food is almost ready for us, but not quite. Cheese, crackers. Beautiful day for the Porch reception.
Good.
Here's one of my favorite parts of the reception is you get these drinks. You have adult cocktails and wine and kid cocktails. I'm just going to walk you down to the end of the porch here to show you this beautiful view of the bridge. Now, I don't know if I mentioned this before, but this is actually where my husband and I got married. At this end of the porch with this magnificent view of the bridge. It's kind of hard to see off in the distance through the camera lens, but it's there. And that is the reception. We're gonna hang out for a little while, eat some food, and then we are gonna head to the Gatehouse for dinner.
They only have strawberries.
There's strawberries?
The strawberries in the cocktail.
Here we are following the ramp down and out of the Grand Hotel, passing by Sadie's Ice Cream. Definitely gonna have a scoop here later. Maybe not today, one day. We listened to some music on the porch. I had a couple mimosas, kitty cocktails, some crackers, cheese, and fruits, and now we are off to the Gatehouse, which is down this hill. So one of the reasons we're eating at the Gatehouse tonight is because the Gatehouse is owned by the Grand Hotel, and as part of our package we get $20 off per person for our meal, because the dinner at the Grand is included with our package, but we don't really want to eat there every night. So, and we love the Gatehouse. The Woods Shuttle. The Woods is another cool restaurant that's owned by the Grand. Back there behind those trees are the tennis courts. We have played there, I think just once. And there to my left is the golf course called the Jewel, which has amazing views. Just beautiful. And we played there a few times before we had Miss Lillian. Governor's Mansion is back there as well. You get a really great view from the golf course. And over there we have the park, which Lillian has played in many times. Actually, I think it's a schoolyard. But, you know, might as well be a park. All the kids use it that way. And this right here is Little Stone Church. I believe they have a lot of wedding ceremonies in there as well. The Gatehouse is a special place for us because we had our rehearsal dinner at the Gatehouse.
Yeah, towards the dock.
Since then, they've expanded their menu offerings a little bit, and you can get food from Sushi Grand and eat it here too, which is probably what I am going to do. Great outdoor seating. All right, here we are seated at the Gatehouse. This is my drink. It's a frozen blue Hawaiian and a Diet Coke. Steve has his typical iced tea. Lillian has been playing with her children's activities, and they're gonna watch a little movie. I am gonna go over to the Grand Sushi, because you can get a sushi roll and bring it over here to eat. So there is Sushi Grand, right next door. Let's go in here and check this out. There it is. I'm gonna order my sushi roll now. Oh, look at that. Our kids' meal is here already. That looks good. Do you like it?
We'll let it cool down a little bit.
Oh. And here's my sushi roll. Cucumber, avocado, and cream cheese, my favorite. And they even brought it over because they weren't very busy. It tastes great. I've already eaten it. All right, more food is here. Greek salad with shrimp. There's my pasta. It was on the menu as a rigatoni bolognese, but they were willing to make it with marinara sauce for me, since I'm a vegetarian. And we got dessert. This is a chocolate chip cookie sandwich. Clearly our daughter loves it. And there is the Grand Pecan Ball, Steve's all-time favorite. We had a really great dinner at Gatehouse. Had some cocktails, had really good food, and now we are headed back to the Grand Hotel for the glowstick and cotton candy party on the porch. But this was a great dinner. Wonderful staff, wonderful service. Everything was just fantastic.
I won't be here long, so my mom can come back and see me.
And here we are at the cotton candy and glow stick party. She's already got her necklace. Do you want a necklace? That's a necklace. Do you want a bracelet too? These are the bracelets, the little ones. Yeah. Yeah, you can make them. Yeah, she's making one too. That goes on your wrist, honey. And here is the cotton candy station. Cotton candy all over the porch.
Here, come over this way, buddy.
All right, there's my cotton candy, Lillian. Oh, you do? She wants one too now.
Yeah, I'm done.
Give her that one.
Here's yours. Oh, sorry.
I guess we're having two.
Here you go.
Get one for me.
I'll get one for you.
Thank you. There it is. We did it. After the cotton candy and glow stick party, we went over to start watching The Incredibles 2 movie. They had popcorn and pop, and lots of kids were there, lots of families. But then Mommy started falling asleep, so now we're going to bed. And tomorrow we'll have more adventures. Good night.